Are you looking for an innovative security solution that truly fits your lifestyle? You might not know these 5 things about the AOSU Security Cameras, outdoor wireless, that could change the way you think about home security. Hi everyone, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect, and today we're diving into the AOSU Security Cameras outdoor wireless. With features like solar power and 2K color night vision, this system promises a lot. But does it deliver? Let's find out. One of the biggest selling points of the AOSU system is its no monthly fees. With a home base, all recordings are encrypted and stored locally. This is great news for those of us weary of hidden costs. Plus, it offers 32 GB of storage for pretty comprehensive coverage. However, there's a flip side. If something were to happen to the home base, you'd lose access to your data. So it's essential to set it up in a secure location. Another impressive feature is cross-camera tracking. This allows the system to relate events from multiple cameras that happen within the same time frame, making reviews a breeze. However, some users have reported that this feature can occasionally lead to confusion if not calibrated correctly. So keep that in mind. The AOSU cameras are solar-powered, which means once they're installed, they work indefinitely, as long as they get about 3 hours of sunlight a day. This is a fantastic feature for those wanting to avoid constant recharging. On the downside, installation needs to account for sunlight exposure, so placement is critical. The system offers 360-degree coverage, making sure no blind spots are left unchecked. It features auto motion tracking, which is quite handy for capturing every little movement within the monitored area. However, it's worth noting that some users have experienced false alerts due to leaves or animals passing by. Finally, the video resolution is impressive at 2K, ensuring clarity day and night. The LED lights enhance visibility at night significantly. Yet a few users have mentioned that while day footage is stellar, color accuracy at night might not be perfect. A minor hiccup in an otherwise excellent feature. In conclusion, the AOSU Security Cameras outdoor wireless system has quite a few remarkable features that cater to modern home security needs, from 0 monthly fees to its intelligent cross-camera tracking. However, it's crucial to consider installation carefully and be aware of potential drawbacks. If you're interested in a reliable security system that avoids subscription fees, this could be worth considering. If you're still unsure, it might be wise to explore more options. Thank you for watching.